Morning children, how are you all? Hope you all are very happy after these exams. So shall we start our new lesson? Yes. Our poem name is Barka Ai. So what do you mean by Barka Ai? Barka means rain. So Barka means rain. Ai means come. So come or came. Okay. So Barka Ai means rain came. Okay. So you can make it as CAME. So Barka Ai, rain came. So let us start with our poem now. बरका आई डाल डाल हरियाली छाई. So what do you mean by this? बरका आई. So that means rain is coming. So barka means you all know rain. So rain is coming. So dal dal hariyali chai. So what do you mean by dal dal? So dal dal hariyali chai means dal is nothing but the branches of trees. Okay. Hariyali means greenery. So when the rain comes, how the trees will be? So after rain, yes, all the leaves will be very fresh. Okay, it will be very greenery. Yes or no, children? So that is what the poet is saying. Dal dal hariyali chai. That means, so once the rain comes, the trees, branches, all the leaves all becomes fresh and it looks very cool. Yes or no, children? Next, Kale Kale Badal Aaye. Kale Kale Badal Aaye means you all know when before the rain start how the clouds will be. Yes, it will be very blackish in the sky. Yes or no, children? So that is what he is saying. Kale Kale means black. Badal means clouds. CLOUDS, clouds. So Kale Kale Badal Aaye means clouds came. Aaye means came. So once before the rain comes, the clouds will become black. Next, Umad Gumad par Nappar Chai. That means you all know Umad Gumad means the sound. Okay, the lightning sound or the thundering sound which we hear before the rain comes. Yes or no, children? So that is what the Umad Gumad. Umad Gumad means the sound of the thundering. Okay. Kar nab par chai. So kar means it is doing. So it is making the sound. And nab par chai. Nab is nothing but sky only. Nab is sky. Par chai means the lightning will be on the sky only. We can see that during the raining time. Next, Bijli cham cham chamak dikhai. So Bijli is nothing but the lightning only. Okay, here they are talking about the sound of lightning. Here they are saying Bijli means lightning, cham cham chamak dikhai. So how it will be? It will be very bright. We cannot see also. It will be very bright. So that is what cham cham chamak dikhai. So it will be for a 1 minute or just a second, it comes and goes away. Next, rim jim boonde aaye. So after the lightning, what happens? The rain starts. Then how it will be? It will start rim jim means it is nothing but the sound of the rain. So how it will be? Yes, you can hear the noise of water which is flowing down. Yes or not? Tip tip sound will be coming. So that sound only he is mentioned as rim jim. So rim jim is nothing but the voice or the sound of rain. Okay, boonde is nothing but the drops of rain. I means coming. So till here they are saying rain has come. Once the rain comes, how it will be? The trees and leaves all will be fresh. Okay, fresh and it will be very bright. Then what happens? They are explaining about the rain, how the rain is coming. Before the rain, what it happens? So what does it happen? Kale kale badalai. So what happens? All the clouds or in the sky, it becomes dark. Okay, so then the sound which is been made in the sky. So umad gumad par nab par chai. So on the sky it will become black and the sound will be coming before the rain comes. Then what happens? It will get a lightning or a thundering. This is umad gumad is nothing but thundering sound. Bijli means lightning. So chum chum. So how it will be the lightning? It will be very bright. Okay. Then rim jim boonde aaye. So what happens after all these things? The rain starts coming. Okay. How it will be? Rim jim rim jim. Rim jim is nothing but the sound of the rain. Okay children. Next, dal dal haryali chai. So again they are saying dal dal haryali chai means the leaves are becoming, each and every branches of the leaves is getting green color. Okay. Path path par khushiyan aayi. So when the rain comes, how we feel? We feel very happy, right? Yes, so that is what he is saying. Path path par khushiyan aayi means everywhere. So wherever we see all the birds, animals, everybody is very happy to see the rain. Okay, they feel very fresh. And then सूखी नदियाँ जल पर लाई. So that सूखी means dry. Okay, नदियाँ means river. नदियाँ means river. Jal means you all know water. Okay, bar means filled. Okay, bar means filled. Lai means it came. Who came? See here, Sukhi Nadiya. So Sukhi Nadiya means the rivers were dry before the rain was there. So before the rain came, the rivers were fully dry. Okay, there were no water. So after the rain came, what happens? All the rivers are filled. Bar means already I said filled. It is filled with the rain water. So all the dry river have become filled with water. Okay. Next, dharti par khushhali aayi. Dharti par khushhali aayi means in the earth. Dharti means on the earth. Par means on the earth. Khushhali means happiness. So all the earth, it has become very happy. So everywhere we see it is very chill and everybody is very happy with the rain. Okay children. Next, कोयल कुक कुक हर्षाए, पीहू पीहू पपीहा गाए, काला बादल गड़गड़ गाए, मोर नाच नाच लहराए. So now what is the poet is saying? So कोयल कुक कुक हर्षाए. So after this rain, what the koel does? You all know koel is nothing but cuckoo. So cuckoo is also very happy with the rain. So what he does? She is now cook cook harshai. So she is making the sound. How the sound of the cuckoo will be? Yes, it is coo. So that is what the sound harshai means. It will be very nice to hear the sound. Next, pihu pihu papiha गाय. So pihu pihu papiha गाय means what? Pihu means this is also a kind of cuckoo only. Papiha is nothing but it is a kind of cuckoo only which makes a sound of pihu. Okay, so this is nothing but it is called as brain fever bird. Okay, so that is a one of the cuckoo kind only. Okay, so that makes a sound of pihu. So during rainy season, the bird papiha, it also makes a sound of pihu and it calls other bird. Okay children. Next, kala badal gadgad gaye. So they are telling that kala badal means, you all know kala means black, badal is nothing but cloud. So during the rainy season we have already seen that it makes a sound umad gumad. So the same way he is saying gad gad gaye. So this is, they are expressing as it is also a singing song. Okay. Next, more naach naach lehrai. So how the peacock will be? Once the rain starts, the peacock also spreads his wings and it starts dancing. Can you see here? Yes, it looks very beautiful when we see peacock dancing. Okay, so lehrai means it is spreading the wings. Next, Ritu Suhani hai, Man bai, Barkha ai. So now what is he saying? The poet is saying Ritu Suhani hai. Ritu Suhani hai, Man bai. So he is telling that Ritu is nothing but the season. Which season? The rainy season. How it will be? Suhani hai. Suhani is nothing but it is very pleasant. Suhani is nothing but very pleasant. Man bai. So we are very happy inside, and he is telling to whom? He is telling to others. Bai is nothing but he is telling to the brothers that it is very pleasant, this climate is very pleasant, and we are happy with this rainy season. So Barkha ai. So Barkha is bringing what? It is bringing, the rainy season is bringing lots and lots of happiness to us. Not only to us, even for the animals, birds, and even the trees or plants. Okay, so everybody is happy with this rainy season. Understood, children? So I hope you all understood the poem. Okay, yes or no, children? So if you have any doubt, you can ask your doubt. Okay, thank you, children.